Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 14th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. We're going to start on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. It doesn't really matter what time frame you're trading, the full top-down analysis is so extremely important. So I have two outlooks for basically the euro dollar and the pound dollar. They're almost the same. My first outlook is that this is an A, and because this is one, two, three waves down right here with a lower low, it looks like either a wave B of an expanding or a running flat. If that is true, then this should be a wave one, wave two, and we should be like a three, four, five to the upside, probably putting us all the way up to at least a 1.5 area. That's been my main analysis for pretty much a year now on the monthly time frame, and I'm definitely still sticking to that. But I definitely always try to have alternatives. What if this is just an A, this is a B, and this is a C, and this is all just a pullback to this last wave down, and we're going to end up making a lower high and just continuing back down because we cannot deny the monthly time frame is lower high, lower high. I mean, even these are lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower high. It definitely could continue to make lower highs and just continue the downtrend on these very high time frames. So going down to the weekly time frame, we have definitely a five-wave impulsive move. We got a big correction in the middle. We got another five-wave impulsive move. The question is, if this wave right here is over, then it is probably not a wave three of an expanding or a running flat, but instead it's probably a wave C of a pullback on the monthly. If that's true, then this potentially could turn into a brand new downtrend on these very high time frames. So keeping that in mind, let's go down to the daily. Now we definitely do have a bigger structure right here, but we definitely did make a one, two, three-way pullback. So the question is if that is just a pullback to the five waves up that I have marked here, then this definitely could continue the uptrend. It definitely still could be a part of a wave three of an expanding or running flat on the weekly monthly. But I still think that it's more likely this is one, two, three waves down for like a three-way pattern. This is going to be like a one, two, three waves up for another three-way pattern. And then we potentially are either going to make five waves down for a three, three, five, which would be more like a flat, or we potentially would make one, two, three waves down for like a WXY pattern, a triple three pattern. As of right now, no matter what our analysis is, the trend is definitely up on the daily. We don't have a Fibonacci bounce. There's no reason to say yet that the trend is over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely have a nice five-wave impulsive move up. We definitely have a nice one, two, three-wave pullback. So obviously this is either an A or a one. This is a big correction for either a wave B or a wave two. We are definitely now in what I would say is either a wave three or a wave C. If it really is a wave C, then it will either make a very significant lower high, go down and break structure, or it will just go down, make like a double top and then go down and break structure. So if we see like a double top, a breaker structure down, that's a wave C. That is not a wave three. If we see like it go up to the 78%, which is probably at this point more likely all the way up here, then it breaks structure to the downside, then that's also a wave C. If it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, which it definitely is, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it just keeps on going up, then why fight the trend? The trend is up. The trend is your friend. And the trend is definitely telling you still to continue to look for longs until the trend tells you otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.